The Legal Aid Council has converged stakeholders on Abuja, the Nigerian capital, to brainstorm on the new directive by the Chief Judge of the FCT instructing payment for court processes by pro bono legal services providers with the aim of reaching a resolution on the matter. Clearview News Imefono Kon has the details.
Speaking on the essence of the meeting with lawyers, the Director General of the Legal Aid Council, Aliyu Abubakar, said it has come to the notice of the Council that lawyers handling pro bono cases in criminal cases on behalf of the Council have been encountering difficulties in filing processes in court as they have been asked to pay filing fees for processes on behalf of indigent clients of the Council whose cases have been assigned to them.
We are gathered here today as stakeholders in the justice sector in order to discuss the issue of pro bono services being rendered by pro bono lawyers, especially for the fact that in the past the issue of handling pro bono services by our lawyers and MBA participation in the pro bono services has been a problematic in the payment of the filing fees and other court processes fees that are being paid at the level of filing those papers. So we gathered here in view of the fact that we have gotten some kind of waiver from His Lordship, the Chief Judge of FCT, who has graciously decided to exempt the payment of these fees by lawyers who are handling pro bono matters on our behalf, on behalf of the Council, and on behalf of the indigent Nigerians who are entitled to these legal services.
Some stakeholders who speak on the issue said the innovation is encouraged as it will make them sit up on their work, but complain about the negative impact.
Even in issuing the letters we are talking about, or this seal or stamp, it can be done through or through electronic means. And it will be easier. Maybe somebody that is doing a case in Babara that will not transport himself to your condition just to get your letter.
Encourage the Legal Aid Council to do more advocacy down to the registry levels and even to the area court. His Worship mentioned. We know we also have cases we handle at that level too. And so making this advocacy down to that level so the registrars are aware, the clerks are aware that this is the stand of my lord at the CJ.
The most important thing is to avoid that, let's say, jeopardy. We are now putting the same group of lawyers that are helping us to do our cases. Because I tell you, the council alone cannot do it. Over here in Abuja, well, Abuja is a bit urban. But now, when this thing goes round, that is when this, I believe, the efficacy of this thing will really be seen.
Yes, I'm happy that this is a new initiative that I have to call for more meeting by calling more stakeholders. Assuming that proceeding, I'm part of the very person, I gave you the stuff and this letter. I can use it and collect money from another person, from another litigant. You can't even the knowledge. That is the reason why I said that letter must carry each case file must be specifically disseminated.
My own thought is that as it is now, let's kickstart it. And yes, when we start it, maybe after 6 months, we can converge again to review it. If there are areas that are problematic, we'll see how we rectify them.
Meanwhile, the Council's provisions on Section 10, subsection 5 and 6 of the Legal Aid Act 2011 prohibit payment of costs and fees by persons granted legal aid. Imefonokon reporting for Clearview News.